Amazon Comprehend is Amazon Web Services' natural language processing service. It's part of the AWS AI and ML suite of services designed to help developers and businesses understand and extract meaningful information from text data without requiring deep machine learning expertise. Amazon Comprehend is a fully managed NLP service that uses machine learning to extract insights and relationships from unstructured text. Being fully managed means you don't need to worry about provisioning servers or managing infrastructure. The service comes with pre-trained models, so you don't need machine learning expertise to get started. It can analyze text automatically and supports multiple languages, making it ideal for global applications. Comprehend can be applied to various real-world scenarios. You can perform sentiment analysis on customer feedback to understand whether reviews are positive or negative. It enables automatic topic tagging for content organization. The service excels at entity and keyword extraction, pulling out important information like names, dates, and locations. You can also use it for discovering relationships in text, such as understanding how different concepts connect within documents. Let's explore the core capabilities. Sentiment analysis detects whether text expresses positive, negative, neutral, or mixed emotions. Entity recognition identifies people, places, dates, organizations, and brands mentioned in your text. Key phrases extraction pulls out the most important words and phrases from documents. Language detection automatically identifies the dominant language in text, which is helpful when processing multilingual content. Beyond the basics, Comprehend offers advanced features. Topic modeling discovers themes and topics across entire document collections, helping you understand what your content corpus is about. PII detection identifies and can redact personally identifiable information to help with privacy compliance. Syntax analysis examines the grammatical structure and parts of speech in text. Custom entities allows you to train models to recognize domain-specific entities unique to your business or industry. The workflow is straightforward. First, you input text by sending unstructured text data via the API or AWS console. Then, machine learning processing happens where pre-trained models analyze the content automatically. Finally, you get insights back as a structured JSON response containing all the extracted information, ready to be integrated into your applications. Comprehend operates in two modes. Real-time mode uses synchronous API calls for single documents and provides immediate results, perfect for interactive applications. Batch processing mode handles asynchronous jobs for large document sets, storing results in an S3 bucket. This is ideal when you need to process thousands of documents and don't need instant responses. The key benefits of using Comprehend are clear. It's fully managed, meaning there's no infrastructure to provision or manage. The service is highly scalable and automatically adjusts to your workload demands. You follow a pay-per-use pricing model, only paying for the text units you actually process. Finally, it integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like S3, Lambda, and Kinesis, making it easy to build complete solutions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.